anybody home? No? Okay. I'm gonna hang this poster up here so that, because these people really need to know about this. Just to kill my mama. Well, I hope they have a good time. This looks like a nice house. That looks familiar.
Whoa! Dude, what bike is this?
Oh, this is so freaking awesome! It's a freaking Schwinn.
Oh man, look at the
Frame.
someone must have left it here for a present.
They must be really generous.
I call it.
Dude, I know.
No.
I do.
No! Mine. Let's go in.
That was awesome, man. I hate when people do this.
They always leave advertisements in our house.
Freaking. Next time I catch somebody do it.
I know this guy. Oh well.
Kill. 666 kill. 666. Dumb and Jose. Kill. Too many L's. 666 kill. 6.
Who the hell are you and why are you here?
Yeah, why are you here and who the hell are you? Yeah.
Why are you here?
Dude, yeah.
Are you Tom and Jose?
Yeah.
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 I brought you here because I wanted to play a game with you. A game of life and death. This game is called Battleship. What do you say?
No! That game sucks!
Yeah, that game is freaking sucky. Never gonna play that game.
Never.
Ever.
You don't like it?
Yeah.
Very well then. Screw Battleship. I have another game for you to play. It is called Sorry. What do you say, boys? Sorry.
Sorry? Okay!
Yeah.
Yeah!
Yeah. Yes.
Sorry!
Let's play.
Sorry!
Sorry, you're gonna lose. Oh. Let's go.
Sorry!
Alright, let's play. Who goes first?
How about tallest the shortest?
Burn!
Okay, let's start.
Okay, let's go.
3.
Alright, my turn, dog. Oh yes, a 7!
Yeah, we're gonna whoop you.
Oh! Yes, I can. That's the rules.
Yes, you can.
Yes, huh?
Yes.
Yeah. Yeah. No, we're not checking the rules.
Alright, it's my turn.
You got 1.
Loser.
Freaking A.
You're a loser.
Suck. Yes! 12! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12.
Okay. Hope I get 12. Yeah! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12! You lose, you stupid!
Hey! You guys cheated! This sucks, I'm just gonna kill you! You're a sore loser!
What do you mean you're gonna kill us?
I'm just gonna kill you like I killed your mothers! What?
You what? You killed our moms? You're gonna pay for this.
Hey!
Now what? Now what?
Now what? We're going downtown!
Downtown!
Yeah!
Get him! Open the door, man. Right, I'll get it.
Make sure the neighbors aren't watching.
We get a friction in the water.
Oh, this is right here. Right.
What? What do you guys say?
What do you guys say, huh?
What do you guys say? Now what? What are you gonna do, huh? Huh?
Yeah? What are you gonna do? Yeah, hey, get down. Get down.
I need to tell you something.
Get down.
Get down.
I need to
Sit down. Sit down.
you something.
What are you gonna tell us?
Sit down.
Okay, but first, I need a drink.
Well, here.
Sweet Dr. Thunder. Okay.
Well, when I was a little boy, you see, my mom, she always beat me in my room when I was beating me. And, she didn't raise me very well. She never got me any toys that I wanted, or, like, the dolls and the G.I. Joes. Those were always fun. I always had to go to my friend's house to play with those. Yeah, that's how. And then she did give me this one doll, but I killed it. And then she tried getting me a pet, but I hung it and I took its guts off and stuff. Well, what I was just trying to say is, all I wanted to say is, I just want to be a friend.
I don't know. It's a tough one. I don't think. Well. Okay, we'll be your friends.
Yeah, we will.
We will.
We'll play with you with your G.I. Joes and stuff. That's play.
Well, is anybody up for tummy sticks?
No!